Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I am going to be showing you how the KSE-100 index performed. So let's get started. As you can see right here at the last candlestick, you can guess from the activity of the bulls and the bears. When the market opened, the bears pulled the market down up till this point, but the bulls pushed the market back up, closing at 40,164 points, gaining about 95 points, and closed above the previous day's close, which is a great sign of strength for the market. If you if we take a look at the simple moving average, this is a 9-day simple moving average. We can You can see right here that it is a bit upward, moving upward, which shows that the market may continue its trend and continue upward, which is also a great sign of strength for these two indicators showing bullish trend. But if we take a look at this parabolic SAR right here, this dot, and we can take a look at the distance. If we take a look at the distance between these 2 points, between the candlestick and the parabolic SAR, when this distance is getting closer, these two getting closer to each other and touch each other at a point, the trend sometimes reverses, but that's not necessary for the trend to reverse. Sometimes it this also happened that the candlestick and the parabolic SAR touched each other but continue its trend in their respective direction, which may be either bullish or bearish. One case also happened that one case also it is to be considered that the parabolic SAR and the candlestick remained touched for a few trading days, and then separate from each other and continue its trend. If we take a look at the RSI at its history, if we take a look at it right here, it closed at the 44 level, at the 44 or 45 level. If we go back in its history, right here at these 2 points, one here and the other here, right here and right here, we can see that these two areas acted as sell zones, sell zone for the prices of this area. Although oversold the overbought area is this and the oversold area is this, but I'm sorry I said sell zone. But these two this is an overbought area, acts as an overbought area. If we take but and if we move a bit forward right here, one of this happened, I don't know why happened, but this one happened due to the impact of the coronavirus. When it got back up, gaining strength right at this point, this same point, the 44 level or the 40 level, whichever it is, this area acted, it became an oversold area, sorry, it became an oversold area, and the market pushed back up again. But again, now right here, it act as an oversold area. It acts as an oversold area at the 44 level, and now it is a bit upward, but we can't consider it bullish. We will have to wait for it for another candlestick to be formed, and from that we will know the direction of the market of where it is heading. If again, if you take a look at this line right here, the trend is a bullish bias. When this after the coronavirus, if this after the coronavirus, when the market start trending, gaining strength, it confirmed right here that the market is bullish. But as it broke this line right here and closed below forming a lower low, it shows we still don't know where the market will head, as we will have to wait for it for the other candlesticks to be formed right here. From that we can recognize if it's bullish or bearish. So we will have to wait for these area. Some of the indicators I use here, I will be showing these indicators to you in the future videos, how I learned from it and how they acted in the previous in their history. So I will have to show them to you maybe in the future videos. If you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market, all I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and also comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.